And number 7, magic. Right in the middle of that word, between the M and the G and between the G and the C, are 2 letters, vowels, AI. So much has been written about AI. So much has been written about AI. I'm not going to belabor this here, but here's what I do want to say. There are some things that compute is much better than people at doing. For example, right? DeepMind has been able to figure out how proteins are folded. This is so critical for human health, especially for some very important diseases. And scientists had been laboring at this for years, and DeepMind was able to figure it out. So cures for chronic diseases, ways to make our organizations more efficient. The whole notion of cobots, like how I, Rebecca, interact with AI in order to do my job more effectively, right? These don't need to be scary things, but I think there are probably 3 lenses that you can use to look at AI, and all of them may be true. Lens number 1, AI is amazing. It's going to really help humanity. Lens number 2, AI is going to take us all down. It's going to kill humanity. And trend number 3, AI is really nothing more than a bunch of tech bros trying to make a human. All 3 of those are true. More to come. Watch this space over the next 10 years.